Real-time speech signal denoising using wavelet transform techniques. Abstract. Abstract includes keywords, existing method drawbacks, proposed method, step-by-step implementation block diagram, advantages and applications, and software and hardware requirements. Document. In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature review, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, block diagram, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements, results, conclusion, references. Additionally, provide detailed information on MATLAB software, covering its history, capabilities in image processing, and specific steps involved in digital image processing relevant to your project. PPT. Real-time speech signal denoising using wavelet transform techniques include the following steps: abstract detailing keywords, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, implementation block diagram, advantages, applications, results, conclusion, software and hardware requirements, literature review, existing method, proposed method, block, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements. Outcomes. Open the code files in the file manager and copy the path. Next, open MATLAB 2020 to be software, paste the copied path, click on the main.m file, and run the code. The first figure shows the input speech signal, the second figure shows the noisy speech signal, the third figure shows the wavelet decomposed speech signal, the fourth figure shows the wavelet threshold speech signal, the fifth figure shows the periodogram of wavelet decomposed speech signal, the sixth figure shows the wavelet reconstructed and denoised speech signal, the final figure shows the denoised speech signal with moving average filter. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030 333 433.